Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add social media icons to your Shopify store. For this tutorial, we are using Elk site. The link's in the description so you can head straight to the right page. Once you click on the link, if you already have an account, just go ahead and use that. If not yet, you can sign up using your email and password. Once you're in, you'll be directed to the Catalog tab. And on the Catalog tab, go to the search widget box on the top right and type social media. You should see the social media icons widget. Click on that. It will now ask you to choose a template. For this part, don't overthink it. The templates are fully customizable anyway. Pick one, then click continue with this template. Inside the icons section, you can add or delete any platforms that you want. To remove one, just hit the three dots right here and click delete. And to add one, click the add icon, select the platform that you want, then click on it. To edit a social media icon, click on the social media, for example, this Facebook right here. You can edit the label or the URL that will link to your social media profile. So if you're adding, for example, YouTube, paste your channel on the URL bar. Then do the same for the rest. Next, let's go on to the Layout tab. Here you can adjust the icon size and choose between inline or floating. Most stores go with inline, so this appears cleanly in your footer or social section. Floating icons follow the user while scrolling, which is usually less common. Then let's head on to the Style tab, so we can tweak how the icons would look. The shadows, the colors, the background, hover color, rounded or square icons, and many more. You can style this however you want to match your brand. Once everything looks good, click Publish, and then Elk site will bring you to the pricing page. Choose the free plan for now since it already lets you add the widget and test how it fits your store. You can upgrade later if you need more widgets or monthly views. After selecting the plan, Elk site will give you an embed code. You can click on the copy code, then open your Shopify editor, click on Add Section, search for Custom Liquid, click on the Custom Liquid, and paste the code inside the box. As you can see here, our social media icon embed code is working properly. Let's go ahead and click Save, then go to another live preview of our Shopify store. And perfect, it's working properly on our end. And that's it. Your social media icon should now be live on your Shopify site. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips for your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.